Hello, hello. Hello. Let me just check the sound. I think the sound is coming. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, so let's start. So hello everyone. तो आज 15 दिसंबर था, तो आज एक मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपायरी डे था और मतलब एक बहुत ही अच्छा मौका था आज मतलब एक मतलब सही प्रॉफिट मतलब मार्केट से उठाने के लिए। तो चलिए बात कर लेते हैं कि आज क्या हुआ था। सो लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट आई मीन हाउ वी planned everything and how it all went. So first, so I hope you can hear me. So yeah, so let's first go and even like I shared my open position with you all on Twitter yesterday also. So you saw that I took 18,700 call writing positional yesterday. Okay, then at night market shot up and XGX Nifty shot up. So but then finally the US markets came down and XGX Nifty also came down. And morning I mean when it opened there was a very huge premium decay, and yes, we got a very nice profit. Okay, so with the call writing positions. And yes, so that was the main thing. Like yesterday the main thing was everyone was bullish and everyone was doing put trading as positional or taking bullish positions mainly. So the thing is that we took bearish positions because at the end, in the very last 30 minutes, I clearly told here that Nifty is looking weak, but Bank Nifty was looking also, I mean, more weak than Nifty, the option chain. Okay, so you have to know how to read the option chain. So and also you have to analyze the positions and also the futures data. Then you can very well do these things. Okay. So yes, it takes a lot of hard work and patience, and it takes time with experience also. I mean, experience is also required. So everything comes into play in the real time. Okay. After the real time, everyone can say anything. Anyone can say anything. Okay. So real time, you are predicting the market. So that is the biggest thing. Okay. And yes, how that is working and how your accuracy is. Okay. So you have seen my accuracy is like, I mean, almost perfect. So I won't brag about myself. So the thing is that you are, I mean, I leave it to you to decide. So now let's come to the next thing. Sorry. Yeah. So now let's come to the next thing. That is, yes. In the morning, so today I took I mean, call writing positions I already had as positional, and then 18,600 to 18,650 would have been the morning range for Nifty, and Bank Nifty 40k put writers were active, and so Bank Nifty was going up, but again 44,200 call writers started. Okay, and then we went basically with Nifty, sell on rise on Nifty. Okay, so 10:23 a.m. So from that time onwards, we went with sell on rise in Nifty, and huge call writing was also being done that we detected clearly. And then there was this 107 p.m. that is Nifty was to clearly go. I mean, Nifty should have clearly gone down from there. So 107, if you notice that here, so this is 105. Yeah, this is the candle. Okay, 105. This is the candle. So from here, so Nifty was at around 18,536. Okay, and then I knew that the call riders at 18,500 and even at 18,450 they were waiting, and Nifty had to go down from here, and Nifty went a long way. Okay, from that point onward. So I had a very I mean, since Nifty would be going down, that was clearly being shown. So I took put buying positions also along with the call writing position. So you can go and check the positions as well. So the put buying positions really gave a nice profit. So I did in the money put buying at 18,600. Okay, so here 18,600. Okay, PE, and yes, so that's the thing. And yes, now let's come to the next thing. So wait, yes, the indicator score. The indicator score in the morning, it clearly showed weakness, though put trading was also being done. Okay, so Bank Nifty थोड़ा ज़्यादा put trading हो रहा था, तो score went positive and then negative. So Bank Nifty was not giving a clear signal, but Nifty gave a very clear signal about the weakness. Okay, and in the morning. Okay, and then finally let's come here. So now when everyone was expecting a bounce back, okay, so 1330, so at around that time everyone was expecting a bounce back from that level. Okay, so wherever Nifty and Bank Nifty was, everyone, like almost anyone in the market was expecting a bounce back. So that's why I clearly mentioned this, that the probability of bouncing back from here is very, very low. So any rise you can easily sell it. Okay, so if if the index tries to move up, so then it finally has to come down. Okay, and it tried a lot of times. Let's come here at 1:30 p.m. So 1:30 p.m. let's go to Nifty. So you see here, this is the 1:30. Okay, when it was trying to rise and then again fall. And then I told that clearly, I mentioned it clearly. Those who did not understand that, it will go up. If it tries to go up, then it will come down for sure. Okay, and again it tried, and again it finally came down, and this was happening. So that's what I told. Like, why I told, I also clearly mentioned the reason, because the buyers were active. Okay, so the put buyers were active, and that was, like, even today put buying was happening, so that we also detected today. And yes, so 1330, if you come here, 1330 here, so at this point I clearly told that it won't bounce back. So if it tries, it will come down. So it came down again, it tried, and then finally again it came down. Okay, so that's the thing. Like, it was since why let me again tell you the concept. So suppose the big players have done put buying. So if it suddenly jumps up from there, okay, so they have done put buying at 18,600. Okay, so market was at 18,500 at around that time. Okay, 1330 is here. 1330 is here. Market is around 18,522. So if it jumps up and goes to 18,550 also, they would be having a loss, or just they would be closing at no loss, no profit. They put buying positions at 18,600. Okay, which even they bought at like rupee 77 premium. So 70 to 77, further buying was being going on. Okay, so I clearly knew that if it goes up here, they would be at a loss. So any rise, it will be a good opportunity to go for selling. And that's why, since they were doing put buying at 18,600, I also did. But as you know, I always exit early, so it doesn't matter to me. I exit with profit, which I am happy with. So yes, so any rise we could have sold, and that I also clearly mentioned here on Twitter also. So even in Twitter also, I clearly said that since put buying has been done, it's a perfect opportunity for the call writers on these days. On such an expiry day. So it was at 1:51 p.m. So 1:51 p.m. even, like, market was here. So 150. So sorry, 140, 150. So yeah. So this is the candle. Okay. So I clearly told here, okay, that any rise put buying has been done, and also any rise, just sell it. So, and you saw that even after that there was a huge fall. Okay, so yes, if you have seen if it has helped you in any way, so please do like the video. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want such predictions even in the future, please don't forget to like the video. So now even in Bank Nifty also the same thing, like any rise would have I mean, Bank Nifty would go into the selling position. Okay, so yes, so sell on rise. It was clearly seen from the from the morning. 10:23 we detected everything, and from there it all started going down. And yes, and let's now come to like FIIs have sold. And now let's come to the main topic, why the bad phase isn't over yet. So let's go to the end of the data analysis. So if you see FIIs are closing their futures long positions, okay, and they are making futures short positions. So a heavy quantity of futures short positions have been added today. Let's come to option index. So you see that call writing is more than put writing, but if you notice that the amount of put buying that is there, so it's much more than required to hedge these positions. Okay, so there might be two things, like these are actually the put buying positions that have been done because they want to take the market down, or otherwise the second opinion could be like I mean in fact there is no second opinion, sorry, because they are, just a little bit of the second opinion is not very vital, but it could be like to save the rest of the call buying futures buying positions. Okay, so even if suddenly market falls down, so their futures buying positions, futures long positions, that would not get hampered. Okay, so that could be the reason. Okay, so overall, like, they are expecting a fall. Okay, so the fall is not yet over. Call writing is more than put writing, and also put buying is there. So option chain is looking bearish, futures is also looking bearish. And if we come in to Propdex data, so if you see that call writing positions are in huge quantity, and there is a very big difference between the put writing positions and the call writing positions. And so futures data is the same, so they have done some futures long, but yes, so overall data is looking still bearish. And let's go to the so if you have any queries or questions, you can ask meanwhile. And let's go to the option chain. So option chain, let me show you where these positions are. So the call writing positions are at 18,400, 500, 600. Okay, so you can very well see 600, a huge amount of writing has been done. And the buying positions are at 18,500 here, and 18,600 also. Some put buying are there. Okay, so and some are also at 18,400. So these are the places which you should be noticing. And then so these are the put buying positions, mostly there are put buying positions there. And for Bank Nifty, if we go and check, so for Bank Nifty, if you see, mainly 44,000 would now act as resistance. So 44,000, a huge amount of call writing has been done today, but also at 43,500 and 43,600 also call writing has been done today. Okay, so so Bank Nifty is also overall looking bearish. And if you see that sorry, that's why data was not matching. So 22nd December, 43,500 here. So call writing has been done, 43,500 and 600, and 44,000 there is mainly these writing positions. Okay, so that's the view of the Bank Nifty. And also if you notice here that Bank Nifty, like put writing has been done here, like at 43,000. So be careful, like and still further Bank Nifty can fall, but we have to see the fresh positions in Bank Nifty tomorrow. And overall they are both looking bearish. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So okay, and one more thing, let's discuss the levels. So let's go to the 1-day chart. So for Nifty it's like 18,300. And so you see just from 18,609 it started falling, and so 18,335 would be the next support. Okay, So if this support breaks 18,335, then we are going to see again very near 18,000 or very near to 18,000. Okay. So yes, so that's the view overall. That's those are the major levels. And for Bank Nifty again, it might come down and get support at 43,000, which it did the whole of this last week to last week. Okay, so 43,000. Okay, let's draw a line at 43,000 because that's one new level that we figured out. So here 43,000 here. Okay, so yeah, let's keep it that. So here, okay, so this is going to be the next support for Bank Nifty. So yeah, that's the thing. And yeah, I think I have discussed everything. So if you want live updates, you can follow me on Twitter. You can also like the video for future updates. And yeah, hi Shri Krishna and hi Bitbull. Hello bro, you are doing great. How to estimate for such an opportunity in markets as today in advance of days if possible? So the first thing is that go and check yesterday's video. Okay, yesterday's video I clearly told that what the data was suggesting from the FIIs. So none of the data was looking like that FIIs are looking for some up move. Okay, every data I showed clearly, that futures data, options data, every data was clearly showing that bearish. I mean FIIs are bearish. And what also they did was like they did a very nice thing. Like yeah, hi Gautam. So yeah, no problem. So hi Satyananda. Sorry, Satyanarayan. Uh, Option buyers, what will you do with Nifty futures? Okay, let me answer that question of Sri Krishna first. So the thing is that we tracked that FIIs were doing put buying. Okay, so I mean they were doing put buying on Friday, and then I mean they were keeping that on Monday, and suddenly market went up. Okay, and then I mean they were at a loss, but they averaged it out. Okay, so that's why every day I was going with call writing positions, because I mean one day market has to fall, so every day if you notice that I was taking positional call writing. Okay, because I knew that I clearly told in my videos also the FIIs were keeping their put buying positions. Okay, now what they did was in between the 2 days when market went up, so they did put writing. Okay, so they did put writing, and I clearly showed you that also those put writing positions they hedged it with put buying. And now that what they did was yesterday they closed a lot of put writing positions but kept the put buying positions. So I clearly told you that yesterday in the video, just go and check. Okay, so these are the things which you should notice. I mean, it's not like the put buying was not lesser than the previous day. The put buying was lesser, but you have to identify that how much put buying they have closed. Okay, so the thing was that the amount of put writing positions they closed. So according to that, they did not close their put buying positions. Okay, so this comes with experience. You have to like regularly see that for which amount how much of hedging positions are required in the buying. So that will give you the idea that still put buyings are there. So put buying was there, and that's why like they took the market down. So first of all, morning put riders were also there, so it was not looking that bearish. But then after that when it came below 18,600, and in the morning when put buying started, then I clearly said that Nifty would be sell on rise. Like they further started buying when they took the market. So it's not like above 18,600 they were buying still. Like remember the last Thursday they did put buying, but FIIs had a loss. Okay, and then they did put buying on Friday and took the market sharply down. But someone took the market suddenly up and they were not able to close their put buying position. So just follow the videos, okay? So you have to keep a track of their positions, what they're doing, where did they have the loss. Last Thursday I clearly told you they had a loss, and the next day market fell, Friday. So here also, morning it was looking like that Nifty would get some support at 18,600. So they were also not sure. The big players were also not sure, because they even had last Thursday they had lost with their put buying position. So they were not sure that they might be able to take the market down or not. But when they took the market down below 18,600, so just you see that at here 10:23, where was Nifty and Bank Nifty. So so if you come here 5 minutes chart, so here you'll see 10:23, sorry, so here 10:25, so this is 10:20 to 10:25. Okay, so this is at 18,578. Okay, so here there still a rise, but here I mean I saw that put buying was happening. So they took the market down below 18,600, and then they were sure that they could take it further down. Then they started these put buying in Nifty, okay, at 18,600, and that's why I clearly said that it would be a sell on rise and nothing else. So that's how you need to keep a track of them. And not only keep a track of them, you have to, like, even the most difficult thing is tracking them on an intraday basis. Okay, so during the intraday, during live market, you have to track them. So I mean that's the toughest part. So EOD data, you can have a track of it. Yes, today this happened, after this is happening, but during the market hours, what is happening and what is going to happen, that depends. I mean, during the market hours, what is going to happen, that majorly depends on what is currently happening. Okay, so you during the intraday, what I usually do is I give weightage to, like, yesterday's data. I give weightage like 30%, but 70% is like what is going on. So you have seen me like many a times, like market is looking bullish, but I was going short in the market. Like even the last 2 days, though market was going rising, end of the day data was also telling us that FIIs were also bullish because they did huge put writing. Okay, but I took the bearish positions and I made a nice profit. Okay, so that's the difference. Like what actually is happening during that time, if you can analyze during the intraday, so it's a very nice opportunity. Like you'll get a very nice opportunity and you can go with it and make a nice profit. So yeah, so yeah, hi Bitbull, hi Satyanaran, hi sir, I am option buyer, which is following Nifty or Nifty futures. So if you're an option buyer, you can just follow Nifty. Like why futures? Futures I track because I'm predicting the index. So it's not like just I'm predicting for the option buyers or something. So I'm predicting the index. I have to keep the track of futures, options, cash, or any other data that might be relevant. So that's what I do. Hi Praveen. So what is the view of Bank Nifty for the next expiry? So again I always tell you that कल के लिए सोच लेते हैं, फिर देखा जाएगा. ठीक है, तो let's work it out for tomorrow. Let's take out the profit from the market tomorrow, and then we will see. Okay, for the next expiry. So till next expiry, many things can change. Okay, so tomorrow it might be bearish, from Monday it might start bullish. So that's why this is stock market. Okay, so don't like it would be just speculation. So if someone is saying something, it would be pure speculation. So for now, what I am saying, from the end of the data also, for now it's market is looking bearish. Okay, so the fall is not yet over, so further fall is expected. That's what I can say at most. Okay, till today with the data that I have. Tomorrow the data might change, so don't take me in the wrong way. Again, I'll analyze tomorrow, I'll make a video and I'll tell what the current data is suggesting. Okay, so like those who are call writers, so they can just safely go and take 100 or 150 points up and go for call writing positions. Okay, so I mean, because data is looking bearish, so but for the option buyers, we particularly we have to pick up the perfect timing and take the buying opportunity. Okay, so that's different. So yes, and or if you want, like you can go into some monthly expiry or the next month some expiry and do put buying in that and sit with it. That is another thing. But if you are doing it in the current expiry, so yeah, it's difficult. You have to find the perfect timing. So yeah, today fall was because of FI's put buying position. Is there something negative in the market? And when Fed increases interest rate, market goes up, and vice versa, rates decrease. So it's not like you see that yesterday US markets. I was having call writing positions. Okay, so I was observing the US market. So it went. I mean, it was rallying like nothing else. Okay, so. I mean, then finally, like suddenly at 1 p.m. at around 1 p.m. at night, so or maybe just 15 minutes before prior to that, market started falling. Okay, and there was a very nice fall, but again it fell sharply and it recovered sharply. Okay, and then again some consolidation was there. So I was observing that. So the thing is that I like you can never say suppose if the big players wants to sell their position, so they would just find any opportunity to go and sell. Okay, so I mean, don't worry about the news because the news is already factored in. Okay, so Gujarat election. After winning, what happened? Market fell, right? Before winning, market was rallying. So that's the thing. Like, मतलब काम होने के बाद फिर किसी को मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मार्केट कहाँ जाता है क्या मतलब वो मतलब I don't want to talk about politics. So here, so the major thing is that after you see after election, after Modi BJP won so in Gujarat, so you didn't see the move, right? Just on that day it moved, but then it fell. So that's the thing. So the thing is that any news or anything, so you have to track what the big players are doing because they know what you don't know. Okay, so that's why I mean you will know what they know later on after the move. So that's why you just follow them. Bus, that's it. So overbought, oversold, score 75 below, over randomly trade reversal. Yeah, I mean, when the score goes to above 75, then it's a oversold region. Okay, so sorry, overbought region, and minus 70, minus 80 or above minus 75, so oversold region. So even like day to day, yesterday or like before that day, so as soon as the score went to negative 80, the market started reversing. So I don't remember exactly, like it might be here, but yes, it happened. So that's how the score indicators also helps. So yeah, I think you are a member, so you get the Telegram updates also. Thanks for answering. Yeah, hi. Satyanan, hi. Thanks, bro, sharing your knowledge. Yeah, so uh, thanks for asking. And yeah, if you so also like I shared uh, today during the live market hours. So the put if you read this, you knew that put buying was going on, and it was I clearly wrote it very good opportunity for the call writers. So you could have eaten a lot of premium today. So if you want such updates, please do like the video, and also if you like the analysis, please don't forget to like and share. So if you don't have any further question, then I'll end it here. Okay then, so thanks for watching. So keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.